Hang on, did you think I was asking you to marry me?
Whatever's happened between us, I don't care. I just don't ever want to lose you.
Are you okay?
You keep looking for me.
Yeah. It'd be a pretty lonely place to go without you. I can't see you too.
Together. Oh, not at all. I better get back to work.
Is that a yes?
Yes. So I just really like each other, go out and have fun.
That's what I was suggesting.
Walking between the raindrops, riding the aftershock beside you.